Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to select every entity nearby and pull it towards you. So to pull every entity nearby, you need to do a zone distillation items. So for that, you need a position, a radius, and then, if you don't know the pattern, you can always go to entities and then to search zone distillation item and see how it does. Vector and the number. Vector is the position, number is the radius, so it goes like this. And nothing because there's no entities nearby. Then you want with every entity to fling it towards you. So how do you do that? So let's say this is the wall. It's going to be 2D, but whatever. Let's say I am over here. I am this x. So my vector is this vector. Now let's say the item is over here. Let's say this is 3, 5. This is its x, this is its y. So if you don't know, this is the y, this is the x. And let's say I am at 4, 4. Now I want this item to get to me. So I need to find this vector. Understood? So how do we do that? It's pretty easy. So what you do is you subtract one of the vectors from the other. Let's say I subtract this vector, which we're going to call A, from this vector, and I'm going to call B. So it's going to be B minus A, and this is going to be C. Is it going to be C? I'm gonna check. So it's going to be minus A, so it's going to be in the negatives. It's going to be B, and then I can just do this vector again. Oh wait, I did it super inaccurately. So I'm going to do vector A oppositely, vector B, and then I'm going to connect, and I'll see that this is the correct vector. It's the same. So it means that if I take vector A plus vector C, I will get vector B, which is what I need. So you take your position, U minus item to get the vector. Now all I need to do is place it into the game. So I'm going to start. Maybe I'll have an error, but we'll see. So of course we start off with brackets. Then I start with the entity list. Let's say I take a radius of 25. Then I need to do the entity installation. I don't remember it, I think I know, but I will make sure. So, exactly as I thought. Then you need to do the payload for each item. So, how do you do that? You need to launch one of the items. So, you take one of the items. You duplicate the item because you have one of each item. You think that in the stack there's an item right here, so now there's two. I need its position, my position, but as you saw in my explanation, you need you minus the item, not item minus me. So I'm going to switch positions and subtract. Now I have the vector. Now this is just to make my life easier. I'm going to take 1, multiply, and only then I am going to do impulse. The 1 stands for if I want to make the items fly faster or less fast, I can always change this number. Then I close, Now, for Thoth's Gambit, you need to first have the payload, then the list. And now like this, I do Thoth's Gambit, close this, and if I made a mistake, I will be able to fix it if I upload it to my focus. Then throw away this thing, and let's see if it works. I throw one down, and way too fast. That's why I made the backup. So I download. Crap. Shit. I just deleted the whole spell. Well, I gotta do it again then. 1 sec. Let's see. It goes away from me. Let's see why. I see the problem. I did add and not subtract. And it's way too fast, I wonder why. I'll see once I fix the problem. Do this and it goes towards me. Very slowly, but it works. It's easy to fix. All I have to do is switch this to, let's say, 5. So if I do like this, they all will fly towards me. Oh, and that one far away. But it's very easy. It's just a little bit of vectors. It's just super easy. Oh, I wonder what this vector means. I know. Now, I did my explanation, but now I want you to explain me something. So, I have a problem. I want to fill this vector. No, actually, I'll show you. It's much easier. So, I have 2 vectors. I want to fill this area with blocks. So, it sounds easy. It is easy, but I can't do it. So, my first idea, not my first idea, my plan works, it just, I don't understand how to accomplish it. So, first of all, I need to get this vector, which I just showed you. Then, I need to get its starting position, which I have because it's one of the vectors. And then, I need to get this distance, which is also easy, because if I have this vector, it means I can just do like this. Do the x powers into plus y powers 2. It's just Pythagorean theorem. And I get the distance, then I divide this vector by this, and then I get each individual block, which I'm going to break it and then replace with the block I want. Now the problem is it requires 3 variables. Like, not 3 variables, 3 things I need to store. The starting position, this vector, and the distance. Now, I have my other hand to store information and rave mind. But that's only 2. I need 3 3 things to store, and I already get 2, so I can't accomplish it. I can store in a list in my offhand or rave mind, but that will be too complicated. So if you have any ideas how to help me, please say so, because I am stuck. I saw another YouTuber did accomplish it. I don't know how, it's the video is called lines, but he did send in the description the whole spell, but the site to bring it to Noita does not work for me. So yeah, hope I helped you, and I'll see you later.